been a long time since I came on here, but I needed a break. I need just to revamp myself. You know, I've been cleaning out my room a lot, and I said I haven't done a cleaning video in like 2 months probably, so like why not let's clean up a little bit. I did a lot of like deep cleaning, like getting things out of my drawers, like clothes, like junk that I don't need anymore that just sit in my drawers, my closet, or anywhere around my room. And I have y'all on tripod. I got a tripod on Amazon. It was like Prime Day, I think. And I got myself a really long tripod so I can take y'all wherever, like, you know. Hey, booze. So I went to Sonic. Sorry if you see blue. I went to Sonic to get that Shark Week slush, and it's pretty good because it's just blue coconut, strawberry slush at the top, and then like my little sharks. Let's start them out, but no mind my blue tongue. But I went to the store real quick and I wanted to go get me some rollers. I want to put some rollers in my hair, so I went to Ulta real quick and I got these little rollers. They're from the Dry Bar and they're the high tops. And they come 6 of them, so they're like different sizes, and so I'm gonna try them tomorrow. So yeah, I went to that. So now we're gonna clean my room. Last night my little humidifier leaked and it got on my white carpet, and it left a little stain in my carpet too, so I'm like, ugh. So I cannot vacuum yet because I don't want to like vacuum the wetness right now in case it will stink or something. Let's get into it. I'm gonna move my hair up. Just put it in a jungle. Okay, so we're gonna do my vanity first since I have the most junk up there. So I'm gonna move my drink probably over here and move the bags. I just have like a little bit of junk here and there because okay, sorry if I'm a little dark, but isn't it just weird? Sometimes it's just me, it's just I just get like bored easily. So like I start like decluttering my room, and I took off my LED lights and I took off my little Christmas lights because those went out. So I'm like, what's the point of having them in my room hanging? So I took those out, took out my LED lights. They kind of like took off some of the paint. So I'm like, ugh, rearrange everything. So I kind of feel better. Like I can't have like the same thing for a while. I just like to change up some things. So that's just me. I don't know if y'all are like that, but so I'm gonna move everything off the floor. Gloves check. I'm gonna dust first because I want all the dust to hit on the glass so I can just clean it up. Yeah, but I've been like relaxing, just focusing on myself. I've been just like looking up ideas what to do for YouTube because I do start school next month. I do start school, so I'm just getting like ideas ready for like the near future. So okay, I close these. But I want some more of my drink. But I love Shark Week. Who loves watching Shark Week? I love sharks, so I like watching those kind of TV shows. This is like one of my favorite glass cleaners. I like how like the foam, I don't know, it's just like I just like it, so I like using this. I'll write down something. Oh, I can't wrong. YouTube. I put a little too much. Oh well. That's so fun flying. Time to do my mirror. Look, y'all. Look at my tripod. Isn't that cute? Like my shirt, it's from Cobra Kai. Right there. Super clean. I've been waiting to clean everything just for this video And it looks so like crispy clean. Oh my god, I have like, oh my god. Oh my god, there you go. So yeah, clean. Oh, I see a little spot. Clean now. So everything looks super clean right here. I'm just gonna get Lysol wipes and close this. And just clean down like my mirror, my picture frame. Yeah, and did y'all see Kyle's Cosmetics came out today? Today's Thursday. Tomorrow I'll be posting this, but I want to get one of her lip gloss and one of her lipstick. I think I'm gonna get Malibu. I really want that one. I can't wait for it to be in store though, because it's better than like the shipping and all that. So I'm like, oh, and I don't like to wait. So extra clean this. Clean, clean, clean. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a room tour, just a little bit. Nothing too fancy. I just moved things around, or like I threw some things away. So yeah, that is it for cleaning. I'm not gonna vacuum my carpet. I was gonna do that, but okay, boost. I look like a mess. Y'all like my shirts, Kokai. So I'm gonna give y'all a little room tour. So let's do this. As you first walk in, this is what you basically see. Okay, so this is what my room looks like. Basically everything when you walk in. Just don't mind the cleaning items, and then like my things right here. So start right here. So I cleared off everything, and I just want to have it simple and chic right here. So I just have my little DIY 1K plaque I made, and then my Aloha Nights candle. My mom gave this to me for 4th of July, and it smells amazing. So at Target is the way to go to get that candle. And I definitely cleared my perfumes. So the ones like they're already like almost out, or like already expiring, they already stink. I just threw them away. So I kind of organized that. And down here, I kind of organized it. These are my only 2 books I have. So I put that there, and then I put a little bowl, and then like my little Victoria's Secret dog. And then my Bath and Body Works bear I had up there. I just put it back here. Just a little something simple. I don't know if I liked it or not. I just did something just to make it. And I have so many waters here because I don't like to get up and go to the kitchen to get water, and plus I don't like cold water because it hurts my throat. So I just have some bottled water here. And then like my mom got me this cup. She adores this cup, and I really wanted this cup, so she got me this cup, and I really love it. It's from Target. It's only $10. Oh my god, you can see me, I'm sitting on the floor. Yeah, but it's only $10, and it's super cute. It's tumbler, and it's cute. It's purple. And in here I just have like my snacks. I already cleaned that out, and I have some DVDs in there, and then I have some like medical things. My little boogie board for my pool. Fix that later. But I do have a basket full of blankets, and then my Coach purse. And I have my Coach purse right there, and then just like other purses, and then my little Disney thing I got. And then my TV, and then I have my little crystal lamp, my just little same things. And then see, I changed it up here. Oh, this is a little nose band-aid. But I have my journal right here with the pen, and then I have my little crystal, and then I have my little plant, and then I just put this here, but it doesn't go there. But I have a little jewelry holder. I just put my cup there. And I organized down here. Loved it. Oh my god, why did my mom do this? It goes down here, guys. But I have my remotes hidden here, and then I have a little container full of scrunchies, and then I have my hair and skins. I have a little bath bomb. I have my toner, my micellar water. I have some hairsprays and bath salt. And then down here I have little markers. I have a Starbucks cup. So yeah, but that's basically all it. I cleaned like 3 days in a row, and I'm like pretty exhausted. So I just want to do the last final touch-ups with y'all. Because you know, like the dust and clean, like what I like show y'all, and y'all really love my cleaning videos. Sorry, I was supposed to do a pool video, like what's my pool bag for my backyard, but I had some metal stains in my pool, so we had to dump out all the water, and I had to be cleaning. I'm just cutting grass right now. I am filming, but let me talk over. I dumped out all the water and I had to scrub really hard to take the stains off, and thank God the stains came off. I kind of broke up chlorine tablets. They kind of like bleach spots in my pool, so like somewhere around my pool is like, you know, really white. Probably soon I'm gonna fill up the pool so we can go back, so I can do that pool video for you guys. So yeah, that's why I didn't do that, because the pool got really messed up and I don't want to film that and be in there because there's metal stains and that's not good to be in there. So yeah, my video. If y'all like these lashes, Flutter Habit, I do have a video on this, and you can use my link to get 10% off if you want to use these. These are really bomb. And my next shipment of lashes, I picked the Sweetheart, so I'm pretty excited to try those on. So yeah. I think I'm gonna open up my little dry bar rollers, and they were only $10. I'm like, dang. So, ooh, I never had rollers before, so I'm pretty excited. So, you get like these jumbo ones, big jumbo one, and then you get like a smaller one. Super cute. I can't wait to try this. They feel pretty good. So, I'm gonna wash my hair tonight and try these when I blow dry my hair, or tomorrow morning I'll just like straighten it and then do it. Those are the measurements for the rollers, so let's see what the box looks like. So if you want to pick up these rollers, we could be twins, and I can't wait to try these out. So yeah, boos, I am pretty exhausted. Can't wait to finish my drink. My fishes are swimming, so I haven't had a slush in a long time, and it's pretty hot outside. So yeah, boos, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, leave comment down below about my lashes or anything around my room you want to know where it's from. Boos, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, boos, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!